Hi, my name is Anderson, and I'm a rising senior at Lowell High School. So since my last milestone, I've received new parts for my camera. I've tried to install different modulations such as time-lapse and adding a sensor, but I feel like some of the stuff are too out of date to work on this Pi because I have the latest version of Raspbian, so I'm not sure if the tutorials that I used were valid because they were posted like a year ago, so then I couldn't get them to work properly. But I've also added other stuff such as this smaller battery, which has replaced the big 500 milliamp battery that I used before, the red one. And it's much more convenient to use because it transfers the power to the 5-volt converter, which then powers the Pi. So then if I plug the screen in and then flip the switch, which I added on myself, it will boot the Pi. And so once I get the encasing, I'll be able to fit everything inside the Raspberry Pi and make it a more portable device. In order to make more space, I had to use like files in order to cut the serial cable connectors off of the Raspberry Pi and off the camera to allow like the battery and the 5-volt converter and the sensors to fit inside. And when I tried to use the sensors, I hooked it up to the GPIO pins to give it power, but then unfortunately I couldn't get it to work properly, so I just took it off for now and trying it on the Arduino, and it shows on the Arduino, it works on the Arduino fine, but then now I need to try to get it on the Pi. And then I also got an infrared camera that I can use to take pictures at night. So I have 2 different cameras that I can use, and I'll show pictures later of the differences. And for future modulations, I want to finally get the time-lapse to work because I've been working on that for a week or so, but it's still not coming together. So hopefully by the end of this week I can get it to work, and I'm currently waiting for the case to encompass this all together.